have a video previously that show all the interests that you have on Instagram, but do you know that you can display those interests in your Instagram account as well? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add those interests into your Instagram profile. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight to my phone and let me show you how you can add the interest from your algorithm to your Instagram profile. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app, click on the bottom right. That's your profile. You open up your profile and then you can see here, follow to watch it happen, right? There's another thing called add interest. So let's add some interests. Okay, so I have interest in content creation. I like entrepreneurship, positivity, public speaking. So whichever that you like. Let's just have these few things for interest. Let's just click save. And then you can see here, to content creation, entrepreneurship, positivity, and public speaking. So with this, you get to see, oh, okay, so this is the interest of this content creator. So you can now put it into your profile, and this is quite a cool way for people to know who you are. So that's how easily you can add interests from your algorithm into your Instagram profile. Now you have your interests being put in there. How do you edit your interests? All you have to do is just click on any of the interests, and then you can see here, edit profile interest, click on that. So you can put up to 5 only. So you can remove accordingly if you want to. For example, change to motivation. Alright, you cannot add more, so you can only have 5. So I still prefer basketball over motivation, and I like to be positive. All you have to do is just click save, and then that's it. That's how you can edit your interest to be shown. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.